So these are the requirements for your YouTube monetization in 2026. Hi guys, my name is Blessing the Influencer, and in this video I want to tell you the requirements to get monetized on YouTube. This is for small YouTube channel creators and big YouTube channel creator. So if you just created a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow it, I need you to stick to my page, subscribe to my page, like my videos, share my videos, and watch this video to the very end so that you understand how YouTube works and what to do in order to get monetized on YouTube. Now, a lot of people are on YouTube for different reasons. Some are on YouTube to share their vlogs, some are for educational content, some for entertainment and all of that. But if your reason for being on YouTube, regardless of your niche, is to grow and get monetized on YouTube, then I need you to stick to this video to the end, because you are going to be gaining a lot from this. And also subscribe to my channel, because you are going to be gaining a lot from my channel, I bet you. I'm going to help you grow. I'm going to help you monetize your Facebook channel just very fast without having to stress yourself. So I need you to stick to this video to the end. Now, these are the requirements for getting monetized on YouTube. Now, YouTube have their own requirements, right? Just like every other social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. YouTube have their own requirement, and of course it's a common knowledge now that YouTube pays more than other social media platforms, right? So if you are trying to grow your YouTube channel at this point, then you are on the right track. Okay, you are on the right track. Yeah, I need you to grow your YouTube channel to the requirements and get monetized so that we can get that money in 2026. Now, for YouTube monetization, you need to have 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube, and 4,000 watch hours, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. Now let me explain. For your 1,000 subscribers, that is what you need to have before you can get monetized. 1,000 and above can get monetized on YouTube. Now the second requirement is where the issue is, which is the 4,000 public watch hours. This public watch hour, you can get it from views from your video and not your shorts. You can get it from views from your video and views from your live. So if people watch your videos and they stick to the end, if people also watch your live too and connect with you, and like you get a lot of views from your live, you also get a lot of views from your normal video. That is when it will be very, very easy for you to actually get monetized on YouTube. But if you're not getting views on your normal video, my dear, you're going to struggle in order to get monetized, because 4,000 watch hours is very fast. Some people it took them like 6 months, some people it took them like 1 year, and you must get that 4,000 watch hour within 365 days. So you have just 365 days to get your 4,000 watch hours. It will just be counting. If you not reach 4,000, depending, you just need within 365 days you should have gotten 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views on your shorts. Now I don't know which one is easier, whether it's the 10 million views or the 4,000 watch hours, but whatever one that you want to focus on, you need to focus on it and make sure that you get it. If you want to get your 4,000 watch hours, make sure you're posting videos that make people want to stick to the end of the video and actually watch your video to the end. That's if you are posting for 4,000 watch hours. But if you are going for your 10 million short views, then you need to post shorts back to back. Post shorts a lot so that you can actually accumulate 10 million views. Now there are 2 steps in monetization. We have the first one, which is you can actually monetize subscription and members stuff. Then we have the other one, that is YouTube actually paying you. Now for that subscription and you actually having members that will subscribe to watch a particular set of videos that only members can watch. I don't know if you understand. If you want to have that type of monetization, you need only 500 subscribers and 3 million short views or 3,000 watch hours. That is to get that one that members will pay to be in your group, something like that. Then you post videos for only members that paid. You understand sort of thing. So for you to get that one, you only need 500 subscribers and others. But if you want YouTube to pay you actually, which is the main monetization, that is when you need your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers. So anyone you're going for, you need to put in the effort and get there. Shalom guys, see you in my next video. Do well to share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and also like this video and leave a meaningful comment. If you have any question regarding what I just talked about, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll see you there.